Sorry, sorry. What is the meaning of one-to-one relationship?
You can create relationships to one person to another only. Only one to one.
One person to another person.
Yes. One single person to another single person.
A little bit loud, so I'm not able to understand. So till now we just saw that many one to many relationship. Under the one to many relation, what are the types?
Without relationship and not with the relationship.
These are the one to many relationship configuration, right? Now I am asking about what will be the meaning of it. What will be the configuration of one to one relationship? Any guesses? One person. Mhm. One to one relationship means parent record will be one, child record will be in. For one parent record, how many child records will be present? No. Uh,
Only one.
for example, if it is the one row, if it is the one row, which means let me write parent one object, a child object. These are the two objects. Now we want to have a one to one relationship between them. How it will be means if you want to have a one to one relationship, if you create a one to one relationship for one record, for one parent, only one child will be there. More than one child won't be there for one parent. One parent and one child. That's it. One parent and one child. So we cannot have a two childs like this one, and this one also with this, or this one also with this, or this with this. It is not possible. Okay. One parent record, there will be a only one child. That is called one to one relationship. One to one means one record and a parent and one record and child. It's called a one to one relationship. Okay. Clear? One to one relationship. Let's see how we can create the one to one relationship. Okay. If you want to have a one to one relationship, okay, there is a way called. Yesterday we saw that roll up summary field. Okay. Roll up summary field, what it will do? So here the main requirement is one to one relationship means we have to restrict the creating of multiple childs for one single parent. Creating of multiple child under one parent, we need to restrict that. So there only should be present only one child record under the one parent record. It should not have the more than two child record, one more than one child record. Okay. So how we can get that? So to create that one to one relationship, for example, if I go to any of the object, let's take the candidate object only. Okay. If I go to the fields and relationship, if I try to create a one to one relationship, do we have any data type field here? One to one relationship. See, it's autonomous. See, lookup relationship is there, master relationship is there, external lookup relationship is there, but we don't have the one to one relationship. Then how we can get the one to one relationship? How we can get means in master detail relationship. Okay, we are having a roll up summary field. Okay, yesterday we saw, right, we are having a roll up summary field. So what it is doing, it's calculating count, sum, minimum and maximum. So we can go with the count function on the particular object. Okay, first we have to create the master detail relationship, then we have to create a count roll up summary field. Okay, once you create a count roll up summary field on a master object on a master detail relationship, then you can put a validation on the roll up summary field that this parent is already having a 1. If it is a 1, then the user should not able to create a one more child. That validation we can put, then it will be a only one child for a one parent. This is how we can achieve the one to one relationship. I'll tell you, maybe you guys are getting confused. So how we can get one to one relationship means, by using the column summary field created on the master object. By using the count function, we can do after creating a count function using the roll up summary field and the master object. What is the second step? We need to put the validation on the roll up summary to restrict child count equals to 1. Okay. If it is already having one child record, then we need to stop the user. We need to stop the user in the second record. Second child record. Understood anything at least? No? Okay, fine. So we already having a master data relationship between a positions and candidates. Okay, for position is the parent object, candidate is the child object. Let's go and configure the one-to-one relationship. Okay. So for that I'm going to the, for which object I need to go to create a roll-up summary field. In case of master data relationship, parent is the position and child is the candidate. I have to create roll-up summary field and the parent only, right? So I'm just coming to the position. Here I'm just selecting the roll up summary field. Okay, just click on next. I'm just getting the count of child records. It will calculate the how many records are there for a how many child records are there for the one parent object. Okay, now we need to have that count, right? So we are done with the creating of the roll up summary field with the count function. Okay, let's see whether it is created or not. Go to the positions, open any of the record. Count of child records is 4. See, here we are having the field of Count of child records is 4. As of now, under this position, we are having the 4. That's why. If you open this, here count of child records is 0 because no child record is associated with this parent record. Okay, now we are done. Now how we can get the one-to-one relationship here means now we need to have a one-to-one relationship between a position to the candidates. How we can? So we created the roll-up summary field. There is an option called validations. Okay, go to that position. Just go to the validations. We already discussed about the validation, right? Let's create a one validation rule here on the roll-up summary field. Okay, I'm naming it as a validation on roll-up summary. See, here what I need to do. Insert fields. Okay. Here it will give you the all the fields which are present on the position object. Okay. See, count of child records field is there. Just insert it. We need to check. Okay. Count of child records is equal to 1. Okay. Then check syntax. No errors. If it is equal to 1, already it's having a 1, or else greater than 0 means it will take a 1. So if is equal to 1 and then only it will try. For example, if it is having a 3, 2, 3, 4, then it won't check it, right? So if it is the greater than 0 means it's 1. Okay. Count of child records is greater than 0. Then we need to throw an error that we cannot create the new, we can't create the more than one child or okay. Let it be. So on the top of the page itself, let's save it. It's taking in the okay. it is taking underscore, so that's why it is not saving. So we are having a one validation rule on the position object. See, I just named it as a validation one. So it says an active stage. It will check if the parent is having the already one. Okay, let's come here and we are having the Salesforce or data. We are having the zero count. So same as check for the senior developer. Here it is having the four counts. Let's go on to create a child records. Okay, start assigning to the parents. We'll see what it will. First one, some Sunil is going to fill his phone number and he's filling out his details. Expected salary is 1000 and its location is Bangalore. Current salary is 10,000. Notice period is 1 month. Here position. I am selecting the parent, right? So now I am selecting a senior developer. Okay, let's save it. It is throwing an error. We can't create a more than one child per one parent object, which means it's already having a parent records. Let's go to the junior developer. Let's try to here also it is having a records. Now select the other one. Here it is having the zero. We know about so this parent record is having the zero child record. It will allow to save. Okay, not it is not allowing us save. Then
greater than zero ఇస్తారక్క.
huh?
ఒక్కటి కూడా మనం క్రియేట్ చేయలేము కదా.
Sorry,
గ్రేటర్ దెన్ జీరో ఇస్తాం కదా, సో
అసలు
ఒకటి
అర్థం
కూడా
కావట్లేదు నువ్వు
క్రియేట్
కొంచెం
చేయలేము
గట్టిగా
కదా.
చెప్తావా?
ఇది మనం గ్రేటర్ దెన్ జీరో ఇస్తాం కదా అక్క. ఇంకా వినిపించట్లేదా అక్క? హలో,
ఎస్,
అది గ్రేటర్ దెన్ జీరో ఇస్తాం కదా అక్క.
అవును ఇచ్చాము
సో
గట్టి.
వన్ కూడా తీసుకోదు కదా అక్క అప్పుడు. గ్రేటర్ దెన్ వన్ ఇస్తుంది.
ఓకే, ఎస్, టెక్ సింటాక్స్, సేవ్ ఇట్. I'll try it now. Let's clone the existing record only. Just try to save it. Let's change the name. Hitting an error. Okay, so let's go to this hiring manager. It's not the field. Do one thing. Let's create a new. First, create a new one position record. Next position. Bangalore. So for positions. So don't just select save. Just come to the candidate. Now create a new one. clone the existing one. I'm going for the test position. So now it is allowing to save. Okay. See, now position is a test position. Okay. For this, just go to this test position. Let's see how many child records. One is there, right? Under the test position, we are having a one candidates called Anita too. Okay. Let's try to create a one more record on the same. Okay. Just clone the same existing one. Just make it as Anita 3. Same text position I'm going to send it now. What it is throwing under, we cannot create a more than one child per one parent object, which means already one it is having, so it is throwing an error. Got it? So now what it is, we cannot create the more childs, so it is having a only one child for a one parent. That's why using the roll up summary and validation rule also we can get the one to one relationship. Okay, got it? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, so